Hey guys, this is Jacob from MarineMax. Today I wanted to show you the 211 hybrid model offered by NauticStar. The hybrid model is a great crossover between the NauticStar Bay version as well as the deck boat. As you can see in the front, there's ample seating room for multiple guests that you can entertain out at the island. This does have a removable casting platform that actually offers as a table, so you can rise it up just a little bit more to have a nice little card lounge area or just a nice table for your cocktails. If you wanted to have more people sitting up front to have a little bit more of a leisurely feel, you can pop out these backrests and it offers a nice front forward facing lounge area. As you can see on the front, there is a fishing seat option. Dual purpose. You can use this for comfort when you're fishing all day, or if you're at the island, you want to be the center point of attention on the boat. This is a great captain's chair for you to sit in. Now, as we move to the center console, the hybrid model of NauticStar does not negate the fact or neglect the fact that you can still fish off of it. In the front here, this offers as a live well or bait well. This is a 13-gallon live well or bait well. You can use this as a cooler, but you can also use it for fishing. It has aeration system set up to it as well as a drain port. As we move back to the center console, this one actually does not have electronics, so you have the freedom to choose what electronics you want to put on it. If you like Garmin, Raymarine, Simrad, whatever your choice is. It's a great size center console, sitting down, standing up. Windshield is removable if needed, but preferably keep it on, otherwise it's going to be very loud. This does have the leaning seat post onto it. This offers great extra space for when walking around. You're not hitting your shoulder on the backrest or so. And as you see on the back side of the boat, we do have 3 flip-up seats. Now this is great for whenever you have friends, extra family coming in town, or if you just want to entertain more guests out at the island. But if you, at the end of the day, you still want to go fishing, you can actually fold all 3 of these down, and then it offers a great aft casting platform for the fishers in the back. This one does have a swim ladder platform for getting easier into the boat and out of the boat. This is paired with a Yamaha 150 4-stroke, one of the most reliable outboards out on the market today. One last thing that I forgot to mention was that this is paired with an infinity stereo with 4 speakers across the whole boat. This provides a lot of music and a lot of entertainment for when you're out just cruising around with your family and friends. Give me a call quick. This boat's not going to stay long. This is one of the very few available new models that we do have. My name is Jacob Wright from MarineMax. My contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank you guys.